Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you the simple Calendly settings that will completely eliminate double bookings and save you from scheduling chaos. The magic happens in your event type settings. First, log into your Calendly account and click on the event type you want to edit, like a 15-minute meeting. The most important setting is your calendar connection. Calendly needs to check your actual calendar, like Google or Outlook, for existing events. Make sure this is connected and set to check for all events, so it treats everything from meetings to dentist appointments as busy time. Next, scroll down to availability. Here, you can set your buffer time between meetings. I recommend at least a 5 or 10-minute buffer. This prevents meetings from running back to back and gives you a moment to breathe. Also, in the availability settings, make sure limit how far in advance people can book is turned on. This prevents someone from booking a meeting 6 months from now when your schedule is completely unknown. Finally, pro tip: use Calendly's round-robin feature for team events. This distributes meetings evenly among team members, so no single person gets double booked. Once these settings are in place, Calendly will only show available slots that don't conflict with your calendar. Anyone who books a time is guaranteed a spot, and it automatically blocks that time on your calendar, and that's it. You now have a bulletproof system that manages your availability for you. If this saves your schedule, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.